It seems we have another first from the local sneaker brand World Balance, especially with what they did with this current collection with Disney. Hi, my name is Colin and welcome back to Hypegeek, the show where we celebrate hype and me just geeking the heck out of things. Today we have two very special footwear from that collection and I will be unboxing it in this channel. Now before I actually do that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so because we're trying to make more and more videos for you guys. Simply click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell right beside it so you know when we've come up with a new video. Right, now that we had that out of the way, let's go on with this. Now before we push through with the unboxing of the World Balance Disney collection, I want to do a very special and very quick unpacking of two items that I got from the mail. Now I'm very proud and very happy with these pickups because these are from local content creators. These are two new merch from the Unbox Creator Network, particularly one from Alvin Tech and the other one from Isa Does. And I just want to check out their first merch in this channel. Okay ba yun? Now obviously this is in collaboration with Merch Vault, the merching arm of Project 721. So kaya similar din yung packaging with the Project 721 Sneak Attack, which is in this nice reusable Ziploc bag with the branding and info prominently printed on the cover. Alright, so let's check this out. So, woo, okay. Again, it's a very simple t-shirt with a try hard statement printed on the shirt. At the back, it does have this like very small detail of an exclamation point. And I think this is sort of Alvin's branding for his shirt merch now called ACT. The story behind this is really trying to turn a negative connotation of try hard and turning it to something more positive. Now this is for those who are trying their best, giving it their all, and are maybe being seen as tryhards. And I guess that's the whole point of removing a negative stigma for people who just wanted to do their best and wanted to try and give it their all. Alright, one down, let's check the other one. Now, if you haven't subscribed to Isa Does Tech or Isa Does, she has two channels, please do check those out. So again, it comes with the same packaging, but with Isa, instead of telling a story or telling a narrative, there's actually an instruction or a suggestion of what you can put inside this bag. Diba? So nakalagay, time to detach, and then put your cables here. So yun. Instead of just having white text, the statement is actually printed on pink and a darker shade of pink. Now Isa loves pink. That's her favorite color. And at the back, there is a logo printed on pink as well. The statement says, I like my standards like I like my tech high. Right? So it's all about setting a really high standard on, well, everything and anything. So again, if you haven't checked this merch out, I'm going to put the link down below so you can check them out and you can buy them if you want to support this channel and if you want to support these content creators. I believe the SRPs of this is anywhere from 500 something to like almost 600, but that's about it, which is not bad. And again, congratulations to Alvin and Isa for releasing their first merch. Right, so I don't know if Ungeek or Hypegeek will actually have their merch, but who knows, we might actually release our own merch in the future. I don't know if you guys will be interested in that. Let me know in the comment section down below. Right, now that we have that out of the way, let's go on with these shoes. Now right off the bat, the paper bag alone actually has some interesting aspects already of what the collection can entail. If you look at it, it looks like a jeepney, but it has this nice Mickey Mouse sort of look and feel to it. In fact, this is the first time apparently for Disney to include local flavor and local design to their IP. Alright, so now let's check the shoes out because there's going to be more local flavor on the sneaker itself. So, ba-bam! Look at that. Just look at the packaging of that. Box pa lang, oh. Boom. It says World Balance and then Mickey Go Philippines. Right, so that is basically their branding right there. And of course, you have the jeepneys. Alright, so we have here the Mickey X Bandila. And then this is the Mickey X Habi. I like the idea that they actually created a very special packaging for this collection alone. Now, let's open them up now. Boom! And when you open it up, you're actually greeted with a special tissue paper as well. And ayun, no? Ang ganda. Look at that. Look how pristine that is. Very nice, very clean sneaker we have here. It's all in this very neutral beige or in a very nude color with hits of white. And of course, you have here this sort of traditional weaving pattern. And on the lateral side, of course, you have the 3 circles making up Mickey's iconic face and ears. Man, Ganda oh. It really feels like two sneakers in one because inside you have this really nice form-fitting sock-like upper that just hugs your feet. And in the insole, actually, it's cork insole. Wow, boom, look at that. Look at the insole. Look how thick that is. It actually feels and looks like espadrilles. And I guess that's the inspiration for this. That's one sneaker down. Let's check the bandila. Again, specialized tissue paper and boom. Oh, oh, that is really cute. I super love the simplicity of the silhouette and how plush the material is on hand. Ang lambot to. So obviously, because it's called bandila, it utilizes the colors of the Philippine flag. There are some iconic elements on the flag as well, particularly the 3 stars here, but I don't see a sun. The sneaker is predominantly white, save for the median side of each shoe. Now on the right side, you have the red color, and on the left side, you have a blue one. See, nag-alternate lang siya. So if it's red here and then blue on the heel, it's going to be red on the heel and then blue on the median side. And of course, the 3 stars again are seen on each shoe. And then just to round everything up, you have very bright yellow laces and yellow cloth label stitched on the leather tongue. Now the insoles have a really nice design as well. It's a very abstract sort of design utilizing colors of the Philippine flag, but then there's a lot of black as well. Now these bounce pad insoles are actually amazing. They're super thick and they give your feet so much comfort. Now similar to the Habi, you have Mickey's face on the lateral sides of bandila, but again the details are more apparent and they do have this tinge of red, blue, and yellow sort of shimmering on the face of Mickey. Oh, and on the lace tips as well, it says Mickey Mouse rendered on that jeepney font. Nice, it's really good details to have here. It's so good. They really took into consideration the small details. I mean, on one end you have red tips on the laces and on the other, it's blue. I mean, look at that, come on. They could have actually just made it yellow and it would be fine, but they just really went on that extra mile. Alright, so see, in fact, the lettering on the other side is rendered in red and it actually doesn't say Mickey Mouse, it says Pilipinas. Grabe, oh. Now, if you think these 2 shoes are the only thing in the collection, think again, there's actually more. I just don't have it here with me, but there are also kids design and kids sizes of these shoes, and one actually has an Adarna sort of like iconography or design imprinted on it. And World Balance released more than just sneakers for this particular collection. They also have apparels, right? So this is one of the apparels from that collection. This is of course from the bandila design, and then it's bandila t-shirt. I'm going to check it out. It's weird that they sent over a 2XL. I think it's going to be too big for me, but we'll see. Okay, well, you know what, let's try it out. All right. I don't know, it feels a little bit tight, medyo sakto siya. But yeah, I mean, I guess if you may want to get yourselves one, size up. Size up. As mentioned, this shirt is just one from the whole collection of Disney and World Balance. There's so much more. There's a bomber jacket, there are shorts, there's track pants, a lot more t-shirts, and even accessories. There's like a fanny pack as well. Now, this Mickey Go Philippine World Balance collection drops on June 12, which is the Philippine Independence Day, and very obvious naman kung bakit, diba? So do check out World Balance by then. I believe you can pre-order the collection starting June 9 to June 11, so better check World Balance's website out and their social pages as well. Now, as her fit, you can actually go true to size for both of these shoes. Now, for the Habi, it's going to feel a little bit more snug because of the sock-like upper that you have here. You'll have a little bit more room to breathe with the bandila, but you know what? Going true to size for both, really just fine. Now, if you want to get your hands on the collection, the best part about all of this would be you don't actually need to spend a lot of money to get your hands on either the shoes or on the shirts or on the apparels. The Habi, for that matter, actually retails for 2,399 pesos, and this one is 1,999 pesos. So again, you don't really have to spend so much money to, you know, represent the Philippines if you want to. And that's it for this really quick unboxing of the World Balance Mickey Go Philippines campaign or collection that World Balance sent over. So thank you so much, World Balance, for sending these over sobrang panalo, sobrang ganda. And that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below on any of this or everything that you've seen here. Do you like it? Do you like what World Balance did with their collection of adding a lot of Filipino flavor, from the jeepney text to the bandila to the sari manok to, you know, all of these weave pattern? Just adding all those up and putting it in the collection. Let me know your thoughts down below on the comment section. And with that, guys, my name is Colin, and I will see you on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and bye-bye, Hype Peeps. Peace out.